Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about the transportation in plants. Yesterday we have learned about the transportation in animals, that is how the nutrients and other material transports in human body. Today we are going to learn about how the water, minerals and food transports in the body of plant. In 9th standard we have learned that the cross section of stem. The cross section of stem shows the outer covering, that is called epidermis. Inside the epidermis, hypodermis is there. In that, the cortex is located, and in the inside structure of the stem, there is a presence of vascular bundle. Around the vascular bundle, there is a presence of the food conducting tissues called phloem. And inside the cambium, that is the vascular bundle, there is a presence of the water and mineral conducting tissues, that is called xylem. We have also learned about the components of xylem and phloem. What are the components of xylem? Xylem consists of xylem vessel, xylem trichids, xylem fiber and xylem parenchyma. In the same way, the components of phloem are sieve tube, companion cell, phloem parenchyma and phloem fibers. So let us see in detail how the water, minerals and food transports in the plant body. Before that, you should know about the difference between xylem and phloem. So what is xylem vessel? Xylem vessel is a continuous tube formed from the root up to the leaves, and it carries the water and minerals from soil up to the leaf of the plant. It also carries the water and minerals in the sideway direction in order to transport water and minerals to each and every cell of the plant body. So if you look at the structure of the xylem, you will come to know that it is made up of cells. This is one of the cells, this is another cells. During the development, during the maturation, the cells, the cell wall get digested. And as the cell wall get digested, the continuous tube is formed, in which the each and every cells are connected end to end, and because of that it forms a continuous tube called xylem vessel. Xylem vessel is surrounded by the spindle shaped cells called xylem fibers and xylem trichids, which are responsible for the sideway conduction of water. Here are also the supportive tissues called xylem parenchyma. Xylem parenchyma play an important role in the storage and also the transport of the material, and also they are supportive in nature. So the basic function of the xylem vessel is xylem carries water and minerals in the upward direction. Here I have shown the upward arrows. It means the water transport in the plant body only in the upward direction. Second is phloem. The phloem play an important role in the plant body as it transports the food in different parts of the plant body. So it's play an important role in the process of translocation. Here we can say the xylem play an important role in the process of transpiration, while phloem plays an important role in the process of translocation. So translocation is nothing but the transport of food in the plant body. Now this phloem vessel is also made up of many cells. So the cells are elongated like a xylem cells. The cells are elongated, but the cell walls of the sieve tube are not completely digested. The cell walls of the sieve tube are partially digested to form porous cell wall, and this porous cell wall is called as sieve plate. In the sieve tube, there is only presence of the cytoplasm. The organelles and the nucleus are absent in the sieve tube. So why nucleus and other organelles are not there in the sieve tube? Because it may act as obstacles during the conduction of food material. So inside the sieve tube, inside the phloem cells, there is presence of only the cytoplasm material. Now how these cells stay alive? The companion cells play an important role in the nourishing of the sieve tube. These companion cells are also called as nursing cell. So this companion cell nourishes the sieve tube. So companion cells have the nucleus and all other organelles which other plant cells have. So this companion cell nourishes the sieve tube. Now, the phloem play an important role in the conduction of food in all directions. As because of the photosynthesis, the food is synthesized in the leaves of the plant. And this food is nothing but the glucose. This glucose later on converts into the starch. And the starch is stored in the different parts of the plant body. Especially, the starch is stored in the roots of the plant. So, from the leaves up to the root, the starch is transported with the help of phloem. So, phloem transport the photosynthetic food from leaves to other parts of the plant body. The phloem also conduct the food material which is absorbed by the root up to the leaves. So, yes, of course, the conduction of the food through phloem is bidirectional, that is from leaves up to the root as well as from root up to the leaves. So, phloem play an important role in the process of conduction of food material in the plant body, and the xylem play an important role in the process of conduction of water and minerals in the upward direction.